Hello everyone. Welcome back to the NoteSaid24 channel. Today, we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for daily routine. We will practice daily routine actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing, and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video, because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes, because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50 sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right, welcome, and let's start and enjoy learning English. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I open my eyes in the morning. I open my eyes in the morning. I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I stretch my arms and legs. I stretch my arms and legs. I go to the bathroom first. I go to the bathroom first. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I use toothpaste on my toothbrush. I use toothpaste on my toothbrush. I look in the mirror every day. I look in the mirror every day. I comb my hair in the morning. I comb my hair in the morning. I take a shower every day. I take a shower every day. I use soap to wash my body. I use soap to wash my body. I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. I put on clean clothes. I put on clean clothes. I get dressed before breakfast. I get dressed before breakfast. I go to the kitchen every morning. I go to the kitchen every morning. I make breakfast for myself. I make breakfast for myself. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I have tea with my breakfast. I have tea with my breakfast. I eat bread and eggs in the morning. I eat bread and eggs in the morning. I sit at the table to eat. I sit at the table to eat. I clean the table after eating. I clean the table after eating. I wash the dishes after breakfast. I wash the dishes after breakfast. I pack my bag for school. I pack my bag for school. I check my books before leaving. I check my books before leaving. I leave the house in the morning. I leave the house in the morning. I lock the door when I leave. I lock the door when I leave. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I arrive at school on time. I arrive at school on time. I say hello to my friends. I say hello to my friends. I sit at my desk in class. I sit at my desk in class. I listen to my teacher carefully. I listen to my teacher carefully. I write in my notebook at school. I write in my notebook at school. I study English every day. I study English every day. I read books at school. I read books at school. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. I eat lunch with my friends. I eat lunch with my friends. I drink juice with my lunch. I drink juice with my lunch. I rest a little after lunch. I rest a little after lunch. I go back to class after lunch. I go back to class after lunch. I finish school in the afternoon. I finish school in the afternoon. I go home after school. I go home after school. I change my clothes when I get home. I change my clothes when I get home. I wash my hands before eating. I sit at my desk and study. I sit at my desk and study. I finish my homework before dinner. I finish my homework before dinner. I help my mom in the kitchen. I help my mom in the kitchen. I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I have rice and vegetables for dinner. I have rice and vegetables for dinner. We eat together every evening. We eat together every evening. I talk with my family at dinner. I talk with my family at dinner. I clear the plates after dinner. I clear the plates after dinner. I wash the dishes in the evening. I wash the dishes in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I relax on the sofa after dinner. I relax on the sofa after dinner. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I check my phone in the evening. I check my phone in the evening. I call my friends sometimes. I call my friends sometimes. I take a walk after dinner. I take a walk after dinner. I enjoy the evening air outside. I enjoy the evening air outside. I come back home before dark. I come back home before dark. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I pack my bag the night before. I pack my bag the night before. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. I wash my face at night. I wash my face at night. I change into my pajamas. I change into my pajamas. I turn off the lights in my room. I turn off the lights in my room. I set my alarm for the morning. I set my alarm for the morning. I change into my shirt. I change into my shirt. I turn off the lights in my room. I turn off the lights in my room. I set my alarm for the morning. I set my alarm for the morning. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I sleep for 8 hours every night. I sleep for 8 hours every night. I feel tired at the end of the day. I feel tired at the end of the day. I wake up at 6 every morning. I wake up at 6 every morning. My day starts very early. My day starts very early. I have a busy day every day. I have a busy day every day. I follow the same routine every day. I follow the same routine every day. I always eat 3 meals a day. I always eat 3 meals a day. I drink water many times a day. I drink water many times a day. I exercise in the morning sometimes. I exercise in the morning sometimes. I go for a run in the park. I go for a run in the park. I do yoga before breakfast. I do yoga before breakfast. I feel good after exercising. I feel good after exercising. I take the stairs instead of the elevator. I take the stairs instead of the elevator. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I start work after arriving. I start work after arriving. I have a break at noon. I have a break at noon. I finish work in the afternoon. I finish work in the afternoon. I come home tired sometimes. I come home tired sometimes. I cook dinner on some days. I cook dinner on some days. I clean my room every week. I clean my room every week. I do the laundry on weekends. I do the laundry on weekends. I iron my clothes on Sunday. I iron my clothes on Sunday. I sweep the floor every evening. I sweep the floor every evening. I water my plants in the morning. I water my plants in the morning. I feed my pet every day. I feed my pet every day. I check the time on my phone. I check the time on my phone. I am always on time. I am always on time. I try to be organized every day. I try to be organized every day. I feel happy when I follow my routine. I feel happy when I follow my routine. I sleep well every night. I sleep well every night. I wake up feeling refreshed. I wake up feeling refreshed. I am ready for a new day. I am ready for a new day. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning.
Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Note Said 24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye!